I'll be showing you how to paint your toenails maroon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You will need maroon and white polish, a stamper and a card and a paper towel, and a stamper. I am so excited for you guys to see my latest video. I will start by painting my toenails maroon. Follow me on Instagram at Awesome Nails. Now it's time to use the stamp plate and the stamper. You will need to put the polish at the end of the design and then use the card to swipe the polish. Once you do that, get the stamper with the design on it and put it on, of course, dry polish. Clean off any excess polish, and this is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.